Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of graphite felt, a material that's as cool as it sounds. Graphite felt is a lightweight and flexible material made from carbon fibers. It's like a super thin, super strong sponge, but instead of soaking up water, it conducts electricity and withstands high temperatures like a champ. This unique combination of properties makes graphite felt incredibly useful for a wide range of applications. From making batteries last longer to helping produce solar energy, graphite felt is playing a crucial role in shaping our technological future. So, buckle up as we journey behind the scenes to unravel the mysteries of how this incredible material is made. Making graphite felt starts with a few key ingredients. The most important one is, you guessed it, graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon, the same stuff that makes up diamonds, but unlike diamonds, graphite is soft and slippery. This makes it perfect for making pencils, but we need to transform it a bit to create graphite felt. To make the felt, we need to turn graphite into fibers. Think of these fibers like long, thin threads of pure carbon. These fibers are the building blocks of our wonder material. In addition to graphite fibers, we also need a few other materials to hold everything together and give the felt its desired properties. These can include things like binders, fillers, and additives, each playing a specific role in the final product. Now that we have our ingredients, let's see how they come together to form graphite felt. The manufacturing process is like a well-choreographed dance, with each step leading to the creation of a remarkable material. First, we need to create a web of graphite fibers. Imagine a spider web, but instead of silk, it's made of those super strong carbon threads we talked about. This web is formed by carefully layering the fibers in different directions to create a strong and interconnected structure. Next, this web of fibers goes through a process called needling. Imagine a sewing machine, but instead of thread, it uses thousands of tiny needles to punch through the fiber web, creating a more compact and uniform material. Finally, the needled felt is subjected to heat and pressure, which helps to bind the fibers together and give the felt its final shape and properties. Just like a chef tastes their food before serving it, manufacturers have to make sure that the graphite felt meets the highest quality standards. This involves a series of rigorous tests to check the felt's thickness, density, electrical conductivity, and ability to withstand high temperatures. Only the felt that passes these tests with flying colors can proudly wear the graphite felt label. These quality control measures ensure that the final product is reliable and performs flawlessly in its intended applications. After all, we don't want our phones' batteries dying prematurely because of subpar graphite felt. Section 5. Graphite. Felt in action, real-world applications. Graphite felt's incredible properties make it a star player in various fields. Let's explore some of its coolest applications. One of the most important uses of graphite felt is in batteries. You know those lithium-ion batteries that power our smartphones, laptops, and even electric cars? Well, graphite felt plays a crucial role in making them efficient and long-lasting. Another exciting application is in fuel cells, a clean and efficient way to generate electricity. Graphite felt acts as a key component in these cells, helping to convert chemical energy into electrical energy. But that's not all. Graphite felt is also used in solar panels, aerospace components, and even in medical devices. Talk about a versatile material. Section 6. Look into the future, advancements in graphite felt technology. The future of graphite felt is as bright as its electrical conductivity. Researchers are constantly working on improving its properties and finding new and innovative ways to use it. Imagine even lighter and stronger graphite felts that can store more energy, making electric vehicles go farther on a single charge. Or how about flexible and transparent felts that can be used to create bendable screens or solar panels that can be integrated into windows? The possibilities are endless, and graphite felt is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping our technological tomorrow. Section 7. Environmental impact and sustainability. As we embrace the wonders of graphite felt, it's essential to consider its environmental impact. The production process does require energy and resources, so it's crucial to explore sustainable manufacturing practices. The good news is that graphite felt is a highly recyclable material. This means that we can recover the valuable graphite fibers at the end of the felt's life and use them to create new products, reducing waste and minimizing our environmental footprint. Researchers and manufacturers are continuously working on developing eco-friendly production methods and exploring alternative materials to further enhance the sustainability of graphite felt. Section 8. Key players and market trends. The graphite felt market is buzzing with activity, with numerous companies involved in its production and distribution. These companies range from established industry giants to innovative startups, all contributing to the growth and advancement of this exciting field. The demand for graphite felt is soaring, driven by the increasing adoption of electric vehicles, the rise of renewable energy technologies, and the growing need for advanced materials in various industries. This surge in demand presents lucrative opportunities for companies operating in the graphite felt market. As the market expands, we can expect to witness increased competition, technological breakthroughs, and strategic partnerships, all shaping the future of this dynamic industry. Section 9. Conclusion. The future is felt. From its humble beginnings as a simple carbon material to its starring role in cutting-edge technologies, graphite felt has come a long way. Its unique combination of properties, coupled with its versatility and potential for innovation, makes it a material with a bright future. As we continue to explore the possibilities of graphite felt, we can expect to see it playing an even more prominent role in our lives, powering our devices, enabling clean energy solutions, and driving technological advancements. So, the next time you hear about a new technological marvel, remember that graphite felt might just be the unsung hero behind it.